Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we're going to solve Duolingo English test. I'm gonna overview all the question types, and I will show exactly how does the test go. Okay, now first I will open my own browser. You can choose whatever browser you want. I'm gonna search for Duolingo English test, then I'm gonna choose the first option, and now here we have it. I can practice for free. I can continue with my Google. I already have an account. Okay, now I'm gonna click on continue. Why are you interested in English? Job application promotion. Okay. When do you plan to take the test? Less than 1 month. Okay. How did you hear about us? YouTube. Okay, now let's start. You can purchase the test by clicking on purchase the test, and there you have it. You have two tests for $60 per each, or one test for $70 per each. I'm gonna turn back to home. Here you have some other things you can practice free. You can access by using any institutions. Okay, let's say that I'll search for my own university. Its name is Cairo University or Kasralaini. Okay, here we have it. Cairo University. I'm undergraduate, so here we have it. But this is the Cairo University inside the United States. I can go to practice, then click on practice free. Get a free unofficial score estimate in 45 minutes. Check your device. Okay, I'm gonna allow my microphone. Okay, now here's the test. Read and select. Continue. Is this a real? No. Okay. Yes. Slender. No. Capitalist, yes. Okay. Light, yes. No. Okay. Straightforward, yes. This is an English word. Fix, yes. This is an English word. Billion, no. Dissertation. I don't know what does this actually mean, but I'll try my best. No, this is not an English word. Okay, now section 2, fill in the blanks. 20 seconds per question, and the number of questions from 6 to 9. Okay, equipped with the headlamps and safety ropes, explorers prepare to into plugin. I don't know. Okay, the between them was uncomfortable, both searching for words that seemed to have deserted them. I don't know what to complete actually. Okay, do you know the code to get through the gate at the office of building? Okay, I found the web page you need, and I'll send you the list so you can take a look. The nutrition label of this snack bar indicates it's low in sugar but high in fat. The of the printing press revolutionized and dissemination of knowledge. The inventors, I think. The nutritional content of a meal can vary significantly. I think this is the word. Okay, section 3, mixed language skills. He was very happy with the commendation. Okay, I think that is good.
A new study has revealed surprising details about the human brain.
Surprising details about the human brain.
I'm glad he liked it.
So this test is actually one of the most popular tests that you can actually try to in order to test your English. And now I have shown you some of the type of questions that you can actually have. Okay, a fresh satellite image of Mars collected by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter shows an unusual site where sediments have eroded over time and exposed an ancient channel that stretches for a mile. The feature, okay, has become more obvious as the planet has dried us, especially when viewed from a height of about, okay, I think now this is
Horses are large, beautiful animals.
horses are large, beautiful animals.
The heavy rain caused all the trains to stop.
All the trains to stop. I should hit the continue. Okay, that was a quick overview on how you can actually test yourself in this test. You can go through it. I do not want to spoil all the tests for you. And you will actually get different approaches. So you will not get the same test as I have. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, and that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.